Hey, Figaro. Figaro, what are you doing? What are you doing? Figaro, do you love your mommy? Do you love your mommy? Figaro, it's very hot outside. Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go to Tennessee? Do you want to meet Amos? Do you want to meet Betsy? Do you want to go see Dolly Parton? Do you want to go for a ride? Are you sleepy or something? Are you a good boy? Are you a very good boy? I love you. You're beautiful. Why are you yawning so much, silly goose? You're very pretty. You're a very pretty boy. Yes, you are. You're very, very pretty. Would you like to have a new brother? Would you like to have a new brother named Amos? Oh, who is that out there? Who's that? Who's that? That's your sister's. That's your brother. That's the birds. Hey, pretty boy. You're a very pretty boy. You're a very beautiful boy. It's a cookie. It's a cookie.